Welcome back to VT Plus. The system I'm about to explain today is a real source of income. It doesn't work hard, it works smart. In fact, it barely works at all. It just supervises the work. This is the age of artificial intelligence. And believe me, the method we are discussing today is not just an easy way, it is the absolute laziest possible way to earn a real, consistent income. How many of us have heard the phrase, money doesn't grow on trees? Well, in 2025, money is growing in a data cloud powered by algorithms, and best of all, you don't even have to water that tree. If you are looking for a method that requires the least amount of time from you after the initial setup, a system that operates 24/7 without complaining, sickness, or vacation, an income that grows exponentially without needing to learn coding, design, or difficult marketing, then you're in the right place. Grab your drink and turn off all distractions because we are about to reveal the game-changing business model, the fully automated content agency. This is not a course pitch, nor are these empty promises. This is a clear, detailed roadmap for how to make AI work as an army of diligent employees, with you merely being the commander giving orders from afar. Let's dive in. Section 1. Defining maximum laziness. What exactly do we mean by the laziest way to make money? It's not about getting paid for doing nothing. That's a myth. It's about achieving the maximum return on the least effort expended. In traditional models, the return is linear. More work equals more money. In our model, the return is exponential. A small initial effort equals income that multiplies over time with almost zero operational effort. The core idea is converting your time into AI's time. 1. Why content specifically? The content market is huge and energy intensive. Companies constantly need it, but they hate the cost and the time. This creates a perfect gap for AI. The need, small and medium-sized businesses and influencers need massive amounts of high-quality content to stay competitive. The pain, the cost of hiring full-time writers or traditional agencies is prohibitive and time-consuming. The solution, you offer them AI-powered content writing services at a lower cost and supersonic speed. 2. The stealth agency model. Instead of being a freelancer who trades time for money, you will become the owner of an agency managed by AI tools. Traditional model, you write, you get paid. AI model, you set up the system, AI writes, you get paid. Your job in the system is only setup, initial marketing, and periodic quality supervision. Section 2. The infrastructure, smart laziness tools. Now let's move to the practical details. This system requires 3 essential pillars, each of which must be automated as much as possible. Pillar 1. Production tools. We are not talking about first-generation tools that produced clumsy content. We are talking about the giants of large language models that have become necessary. The core, using advanced platforms like GPT-4 or models like Claude 3 Opus. The secret here is not the tool itself, but how you write the prompt. Example. The commands must be very detailed. Don't say, write an article about marketing. Instead, say, write a 1,500-word article in an expert and neutral tone, targeting SaaS executives, titled New Algorithms in Digital Marketing, with 5 key points supported by recent statistics, and use markdown formatting. This ensures professional content with a single click. Plagiarism check. This step must be automated using tools like Grammarly Premium or integrated platforms. SEO optimization. Using tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase to guide the automated writer with targeted keywords to ensure that the content you produce is not only good, but ranks high in search engines. Pillar 2. Automation and integration. This is the step that transforms a freelancer into a real agency. We must link the client's request to the AI's work. Integration tool. We use automation platforms like Zapier or Make. The automated workflow. Receive request. The client fills out a detailed request form specifying the topic, tone, keywords, and target audience. Convert to prompt. Zapier is programmed to automatically take the inputs from the form and convert them into a complete and perfect super prompt for the AI. Execution. Zapier sends this command to the GPT-4. Delivery. The AI sends the final content back to Zapier, which in turn saves it in an organized Google Doc file and sends a notification to the client that the draft is ready. In this way, after the initial setup, a complete client request is delivered automatically without your intervention, except for a simple final review. Pillar 3, automated marketing. You won't be truly lazy if you spend your time chasing clients. Basic automation, using simple customer relationship management tools integrated with email marketing software like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Creating automated cold email sequences that go out to targeted companies. The killer offer: don't sell content, sell speed, quality, and savings. We will save you 60% of the cost of an in-house writer, and we will deliver 10 SEO-optimized articles weekly. Focus on the automated free trial. Give us a title, and we will deliver a full article draft within 2 hours for you to test our quality for free. This free draft is also executed by the AI. Section 3. The Power Strategy, Niche and Pricing. Everyone can use ChatGPT, but not everyone trusts everyone. The secret to being the lazy rich is extreme specialization and added value. 1. Specialization is the key to laziness. When you specialize in one field, you can train your AI much better. This reduces your need for manual intervention and review. High-value specialization areas: SaaS portfolio, writing complex and technical marketing content for software companies. AI is excellent at handling technical terms if provided with the right documentation. Legal and regulatory content, reviews, comparisons, and summaries of legal articles. Short-form video scripts. This is the new gold. Generating 30 TikTok/Reels scripts weekly. This can be completely automated with the push of a button. Specialization allows you to use the same set of master prompts for a large number of clients within the same field, reducing the setup time for each new request. 2. Pricing structure for attracting laziness. You won't sell by the hour. That's the freelancer's mistake. You sell unlimited value and supreme time. Proposed model: monthly retainers micro package, 10 articles per month or 40 social media posts per month. Price: $500 to $800. Standard package: 25 articles per month with automated monthly performance analysis. Price: $1,500 to $2,500. Agency package: unlimited content with full SEO optimizations and keyword management. Price: $3,000 plus monthly. Why is this good? Because once you secure a client on a monthly retainer, your income is guaranteed and automated. The client remains steady, the AI performs the steady work, and you receive a steady income. This is the essence of semi-automated passive income. 3. Training the AI on brand voice. No one wants robotic content. This is your role as a professional supervisor. Before starting, ask the client to send 5 to 10 of their best pieces of content. Use these samples to guide the AI. Analyze the tone of this article, the preferred terminology, and the method of presenting evidence. Use this tone as the voice model for all future content you generate for this client. By doing this, the resulting content is exceptionally customized, and it is impossible for the client to know it was generated with a single click. Section 4. Launch and continuous improvement. We have the tools, and we have the strategy. How do we launch and maintain this lazy agency? 1. The lean launch. Don't wait for perfection. Start by offering only one service, for example, generating 10 YouTube content ideas with short scripts weekly. The platform: create a very simple one-page website using tools like Card or Softer. The FAQ page: you must reassure the client that you use the latest technology and the best supervision experts. Do not lie that you are a human writing every word, but focus on using the best technical team that guarantees the highest quality. 2. Continuous improvement. To minimize your effort, the harder you work in the beginning, the less you work later. Gather feedback. Ask clients for feedback on the first 3 requests. Use this feedback to refine your master prompts. The goal is to reach a point where the AI output is 90% excellent, and you only need a human edit that takes less than 5 minutes per article. Vertical instead of horizontal scaling. Instead of constantly looking for new clients, Work on upselling to existing clients. If a client is taking 10 articles, propose an additional package of short video scripts. This is an easier and more efficient sale. 3. When is maximum laziness achieved? The goal is to reach a point where you have 5 to 10 paying clients on monthly retainers in a specialized field. At this stage, you can spend less than 2 hours per week reviewing quality, managing invoices, and responding to simple client inquiries. This is the essence of the laziest way to make money with AI. You are no longer a writer. You are the owner of an automated system that produces content. My friends at VT Plus, let's summarize what we've learned. The lazy way to make money with AI is not a magic trick. It is a smart way. It replaces your daily manual effort with a strategic and intelligent initial setup effort. The secret lies in transformation from a freelancer to an automated agency owner. Automation, linking requests to AI work via tools like Zapier for semi-automated delivery. Specialization, choosing a narrow, high-value niche to effectively train the AI and minimize your intervention. Pricing, selling with fixed monthly retainers to ensure continuous passive income. AI is the greatest financial opportunity of the current generation. But the wealthy won't be those who use it to do their tasks. They will be those who use it to create systems that work instead of them. It's time to be the commander who directs, not the soldier who executes. It's time to be the laziest entrepreneur of this era. Tell me in the comments, what is the first specialized field you will launch your automated agency in? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the BT Plus channel, and hit the notification bell to always be at the forefront of the secrets to working smart, not hard. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.